Welcome to the introduction video for the Echo Academy. And you might be wondering, well, why is this guy posting videos that look like Khan Academy's videos? And I don't know if you have been to the website. It's a great website. I'll write down the link for you. I'll include it in the description. And if you haven't been to the website, well, and if you're having trouble in math or science or rather physics, what can this website do for me? Well, before I get to that, I would like to sort of give you a little bit of background of what Echo Academy is and how it started. Echo Academy didn't have a name. The idea wasn't even developed when I first found out about Khan Academy around January of 2011, so the beginning of this year. My father was searching around for sort of how-to videos of something that he was doing. He was creating sort of his own electrical ignition system for his Honda 90. I believe that was it. If I'm not, then I guess my dad can correct me on that later. So I looked at it and I'm like, wow. And that year I had chemistry class, and my chemistry teacher, not to mention the class, was a bit difficult, especially due to the fact that we were getting into stoichiometry at that point. So I understood a couple of things, but there was something that was hindering my ability to excel in the class, and it was because of small or simple misconceptions about the material itself. So I watched a couple of the videos. I took my dad's word for it. That Mr. Khan, Salman Khan, was good at teaching, and that his videos helped him out a lot. And eventually, due to consequence of time, I found that out myself, and ever since then I've been an advocate of the website. I spent all of last summer, not all of it, I do have a social life to a certain extent, but I spent all of last summer watching math videos, and now math is not an issue, but rather a way of life for me almost now. I love math. I love learning things, and eventually I found out I loved teaching things, and that really came into play toward the beginning of this year. My physics class, a lot of us were rather scared. To learn the material. There's a saying: if it smells, it's biology. If it moves, if it smells, it's chemistry. If it moves, it's biology. And if you don't understand it, it's probably physics. But once I removed the fear of learning physics, I noticed that I was able to learn very quick, and I was able to just dive right in. And ever since then, I've been able to explain things to my classmates, and I've been a real help to my classmates, or at least I like to think so. I do. If ever the teacher may not be able to explain something to the students, I get up from my desk and I explain it as best as I can, and they seem to understand it. So I sort of decided, well, the materials that Sal Khan is using, they seem rather simple. So why can't I create some of my own? So here we are now in November, and I have my own Bamboo Connect writing pad by Wacom. I don't want to to mispronounce the company name that has provided me with such a great material. I have my own headset now, which is why you can hear me. And without further ado, let me tell you real quick before my 10 minutes are up, what this website can contribute to you. Due to the fact that I am a high school student now, I can only do so much in my free time, but what I have done is I have gotten ahead in a lot of my homework, so I have more free time to contribute. I have more of my free time to contribute to this and my extracurricular activities. So what you can expect is me posting videos. Videos will be posted every Friday. I will make it a point to either Thursday or Saturday, like Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, depending on which day is best for me. And you can expect at one time anywhere from 5 to 10 videos at a time. And the reason for this number is because I will be doing videos on Algebra 1 and 2. So just innocent algebra, physics, U.S. history, psychology, which is one of my favorite courses. And if there is anyone taking an AP course in psychology, let's just say, whoops. I am getting out of the view, so let me scroll this up a bit. Yes. Let me scroll up a little bit more. I don't think you need to see Echo Academy anymore. So anyway, watch Echo Academy every Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. So anyway, psychology, like I was saying, if you were taking the AP course, and U.S. history, I will be teaching to AP U.S. history as well, and AP psychology. Just know that I don't recommend, if you don't want to take the AP test, then that's fine. The only reason I will be teaching the AP is because I will go through all of the material as best as I can. Psychology and sort of what I call a think tank playlist, which I will explain in another video. But that's basically it. Tune in every Thursday, Friday, or Saturday for these 5 to 10 videos, and every week, I almost forgot to explain why this number is the way it is because I will post anywhere from 1 to 2 videos in each playlist. That's the maximum I'm going to do, or any more or less is going to be rare due to the fact that I am a high school student and I do have things that I need to finish and complete before this video. So it'll be a rarity to see anywhere anything more than 10 videos a week or anything less than 5 videos a week. That's the promise I've made to you. I hope you use this resource. I hope you appreciate this resource, and there will be more videos in the future. And by the way, my name is Bradley Ellebrocht, and I hope you all tune in and have a nice day.